Hello everyone, my name is Josh, and welcome to episode 7 of Pinsect. Today I am going to be pinning a scarce umber moth, scientific name Agriopis auriantaria. Now, this is a male moth because if you had seen my most recent video, which you should totally check out here, then you will know that the females of a scarce umber are basically wingless. So, as you can easily tell, this is a male. I collected this scarce umber quite a while ago, actually, probably over a month ago, and I just kept forgetting to pin it. So I kept relaxing it, and it kept drying out, and then it's the cycle, so there's a bit of mold on it. It's not in the best condition, which I'm a bit annoyed about, because it's quite a cool moth. But, oh well, it turned out alright, apart from what you will see later. So, anyway, enjoy the video. Thank you for watching another episode of Pinsect. If you enjoyed and or learned something new, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss an episode. It would also be greatly appreciated if you could like, comment, and share this video. See you next time for another episode of Pinsect.